Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset all edits while you are editing your photo using Lensa app if you want to see the original photo or if you want just to undo all the changes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first, open up Lensa app and on Lensa, in order to add here a photo, you can hit at that plus sign. It opens up your camera roll. From here you can select any photo, let it be just for example. So let me pick some photo, let it be that one. After that you can hit on add to add it to Lensa app, and right here first I recommend you to use that magic retouch feature. It highly improves the image quality because it adds a bunch of different filters at the same time, just in one click, just like that. Then you can hit on reset to see the original quality, and then you can add magic retouch filter. After that you can go through all of that options. You can add bokeh, you can change the background, or you can apply here some effect in that way, and also you can change art style. And now if you want to undo all the changes, that's easy to do so. All you have to do is right here hit at this three dots icon where you can easily find reset all edits feature. You can just tap on that to move back to the original image without any changes. And now you can continue editing your photo. You are able to try different effects and you can check how them looks like. Once you finished with editing your photo, you can hit right here at save button to save it to camera roll, just like that. Then you can move on to your photos, where at recents you can easily find the photo that you have just saved. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.